Welcome to this video on the Book of Shared Light. In this episode, we explore the foundational framework for a balanced society, the 4 pillars. Building a healthy society requires more than just good intentions. We need a solid architectural blueprint, a structured moral framework to uphold our collective well-being and ensure human flourishing. This framework rests on 4 essential pillars: justice, liberty, duty, and compassion. These virtues must work in harmony. Elevating one while ignoring the others causes our society to lose its balance. Justice is the first pillar. It involves ordering our shared life to ensure that equal worth is honored through fair rules, transparent procedures, truthful evidence, and the possibility of repair. The second pillar is liberty. This is the widest freedom an individual can exercise, provided it preserves the equal freedom and safety of others. True liberty is never permission to exploit those who make our own freedom possible. Third is duty, which concerns the accountability of power. It is what we owe due to our roles, promises made, or harm caused. Remember, the greater your power, the greater your duty to use it responsibly. Finally, compassion. It is active, disciplined care, paying close attention to the suffering of others and acting with a genuine willingness to help. It seeks both kindness and effectiveness without erasing healthy boundaries. When these virtues stand alone, they fail. Justice without compassion is cold. Liberty without duty is predatory. Compassion without justice is selective. And duty without liberty becomes servitude. We must weave these 4 virtues together. A healthy, flourishing society depends on our ability to hold them all in delicate balance, refusing to sacrifice one for the sake of another. Maintaining this balance is difficult, ongoing work, but it remains the only path toward creating a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. As we carry the shared light forward, reflect on the impact of your actions. Strive to minimize harm and pursue ways to live together in dignity. Remember to carry the light. To live by these 4 pillars daily, pause before you act and ask, am I granting myself a privilege I would deny another? Can this choice be explained honestly? Seek truth and accountability in every decision.